We're at World of Concrete for 2025, and we have a special treat. You love him. We got Chris is back with Martinez Hammers. He's got all kind of treats and goodies for you. Chris,
what is up?
Thank you for having me in the booth.
Oh, so proud to see you guys once again.
I'm happy to see you.
World of Concrete.
Dude, you're handsome as ever, too.
Oh man, look at this. We're just trying to get like you guys. I wanted to show you something that I don't think's been done before.
Dude, this thing looks wicked, bro.
That is a titanium spine level.
Okay.
It's designed for durability. We saw so many companies that are putting Bluetooth and electronics and everything. We still believe the heart of the worker, they just want it to survive. They just want durability, number one.
So that's me. Like, I hate to say this, I probably could be more productive, I guess, if I learned how to use like the Bluetooth, but I'm an analog man living in a digital world. I just don't want my caveman-like hands to break the tool. This thing looks like very, very robust.
I mean, you can't. It doesn't translate on the film how durable and how well this thing feels. But this is as good as it comes, and it's going to survive.
When I saw it leave his hand and about to hit the ground, I cringed. I was like, oh no!
But yeah, so replaceable vials. You have magnets in here, so it's going to stick. Gonna stick there. Pitch, slope, plumb, 0 degrees horizontal, 45, all the way around.
It's got like everything you need. How do those magnets feel? You mind me?
Yeah, no problem. Over here is steel, so you can tell.
The box. Nice.
See, you get the idea. So the steel pipe is exactly what we designed the other one for, which is a new small level, but check out that thumb screw. Imagine that, tighten it down on your pipe so you can sit hands-free and tell, oh, what's my slope? What's my pitch?
I'm about to make a comment. I know like some of the tradespeople are gonna be like, I like the colors. I like the colors. And why, if you have a choice, why not? Do you have other like framing squares and such, like where I could use these for like stringer layout and such? Is this it all together?
This is one of them. We have another one coming as well.
Nice. I like that these, sometimes like, I gotta be honest, the nuts that I use, they come loose, they're not necessarily big enough, it's just not, I don't know, what's the word, like robust. These feel good when you tighten them down.
Right, omnidirectional, there's a spring nut in here that makes it easy to disassemble and put on, but what's great is you can slide it all the way down, now it goes in your tool belt, you're good to work.
I like it.
So a lot of functionality here, designed by the world famous engineer from Martinez, Jim Aiken. He's standing right here, who is actually the brains behind all of this.
You're a genius. You've developed, it took a genius to develop and dummy-proof all of these tools for us. Thank you very much.
And this is his final one. This is the new carpenter square.
That's beautiful.
It's all CNC machine titanium.
CNC titanium.
Holy Lord. Guess what? I didn't expect it to be this light.
Yeah, it's super light.
It is super light. It's deceiving.
It's the beautiful part about titanium. And sometimes, no matter how well you lay out, no matter how well you do, you got to remove that tough nail. And
what's this made out of?
Titanium.
Grade 5 virgin titanium. Not just grade 5 titanium, ingot, pure, consistent throughout. You don't want this to be a Honda Accord, this to be somebody's old bike. Maybe it's your grandma's hip here. It's the same titanium all the way throughout.
I can't believe how light this is. I mean,
and durable.
And it's durable. It feels like it's so lightweight. I know it's not going to, but it feels like if I actually pried on it a little bit, I would snap it. But I know it's not.
Yeah, no,
Martinez wouldn't be selling it.
We're welcome to try it over here at the Big EM booth, but you're not going to. The great thing about this is we're always focused on user protection. Titanium in the hammers. But anything we could do to eliminate the weight, once you have a couple titanium tools on here, that weight on your hips at the end of the day, that grinds, that hurts, and then you get old and you're limping. Nobody wants that. So anything titanium can do to take that weight, the stress off you from daily day, that's what we're aiming for.
And I say it all the time. Listen, when I was your age, I used to think the same way. I'm invincible, it doesn't matter. But now that I'm a little bit older, there's more miles on me, if I can get the same performance, durability, but it's lighter, I don't have to lug it around, it's less stress on my back. It just, when you're wearing that tool belt and it's overloaded, it just transmits into your into your, I hate to say it, but your butt, your hips,
Your
your
hip
legs,
flexors,
your low back. This is like life-saving technology, if you ask my opinion.
Yeah, I mean, we have 3 Ps here at Martinez. We have user protection, we have superior performance, and then we just have preference. Anything you want. Design it the colors your favorite NFL team or whatever you want. One thing about Martinez that's unique is we have a duplex nail starter. So for our concrete guys, it'll fit. This magnet also, we're always concerned about what value we can bring to our customers.
Right.
This magnet is one of the strongest ones. It doesn't sound much, but when you swing it and get that nail start, it's gonna fit. That nail set is gonna start every single time. And that's very, very important for us.
You know, for those of you that you like nailing by hand, Martinez got you covered.
That's right. It's like you've done it before.
Not as many times as I clearly should have in recent days.
Well, now you can go remove that or any nail.
I gotta be totally honest with you. When they hit your hands, you're just not expecting it. Though this is so light.
It is.
It's amazing. And like I said, it feels like you're gonna snap it. I just know it ain't. You wouldn't be selling it if it was gonna snap. You know what I mean? I know it.
It feels like foam.
It's nuts.
And you can tell we've used this thousands of times in the last couple of days, and
Oh yeah.
it's held up well. Points are still strong. I mean, it's been used.
Oh yeah, heck yeah.
Side nail puller, which is really nice.
Oh,
so you can grab these and just pull them out. It's one of our tools that we're very, very excited about. Here's the milled face, which will give you a little bit more traction.
I like the mill face. I'm trying to pick one out. What's with the heavy hammer? I think I just saw, thanks to Instagram, I saw this over the weekend.
Right.
I was
So
like, is this new? Is this a new offering?
It's been around for about a year, a little over a year.
How can I be so late to the game, Chris?
It's the M79. What we did when the workers are driving those pins and hitting them with the sledge, we wanted to give them the ability to change their Martinez head out with our American Racing product bolt, swap it, then you get the vibration protection from hitting that down. In addition, scrape those forms, get them clean.
So what you're telling me, if I'm hearing this correctly, these are modular frames. I can put this head on any one of these handles.
That's correct.
So you're building your hammer.
Correct. You can switch the finish head off to the framing head, dimple face, smooth face, milled face.
Multiple cut. We got the Joker here.
We got
this?
the
Is this
Joker. That's a Joker.
The Joker hammer.
Yeah.
I like the demos.
Now you're good to go.
That's awesome. All the grips are replaceable.
The grips are
This
replaceable.
is like pretty much. I mean, you're investing in a hammer. It's going to last a lifetime.
Right. You're part of the Martinez family. We want to take care of you that way.
I like that.
Okay, you ready? Take 3 seconds.
Oh, you're going to walk me through it?
Yeah, you're going to do it.
Oh my God. Oh no. Talk about putting somebody on the spot.
You're fine. Let's go. This is what you're going to do.
All right.
You are going to gently put it on this side.
Okay.
Hold it. Wrap it.
Sorry.
Let me go get the hammer. They took it. Thank you.
So we're gonna gently put this here.
Right.
We're
and
gonna
you're
wrap
gonna
it,
hammer it.
and then we're gonna drive it down.
You're gonna drive it down.
How gently am I hammering? Oh, there we go.
See, you don't even know how strong you are.
When we're gonna meet the face.
Take
right?
out the, yes.
Just tighten it. Look,
Tighten it down.
snug it up like that.
Turn it down. Get your green handle. Always make sure the thumb is on the back because some people at home will install it backwards. Put it on, snap it twice. Use that hammer, hit it down.
Yeah. Stay on target.
You're good, you're good. One more. Reason why the hammer goes on, that handle goes on so tight is because there's interlocking nylon jaws that fit onto the grooves of that hammer. Now what I like doing,
You don't want your hammer going flying out of its handle.
no, it's not ideal. I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna set this binding post there, I'm gonna flip it over, put this screw in, and you will be done.
That was fast. Beautiful.
You're perfect.
Good?
You're good.
We don't want to break nothing.
All right, now, there is your Built for Chaos Martinez M1 milled face framing hammer.
Just what I wanted. If you like having the options to build the perfect hammer for you, just smash the like button. It's free for you to do. Doesn't cost you a dime. Plus, you'll get 7 years of good luck. Let us know down below. What do you think of Martinez Hammers? Do you love them? Do you love them? Or do you love them? We want to know. Leave it all below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you.
We love the very cool gang. We do it. MartinezTools.com to get your own hammer. Thank you guys. Keep working hard.
Hope to see you all on the next one. Thank you, Chris.
Perfect. Love it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vern.